Shubor nag-Shim jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jela uba Alexander lalu hek ubala pau kerteng banya soilangnya ke rai lani ke resolution ha ke baidai bat ke jingdon jang ke relief and rehabilitation colony welfare society ula Pynksan je ke society bar ula ongru bawat mauru ushim nya ke Syrnot nongsong snong ne ke residential certificate ne ke society hababo jingkeli halor ke jing INOC ke society ne ke benta ki kam khai ha RR colony uba hek ula ong ba ka RR Colony Welfare Society ka ai ki NOC bat ya ka Syrnot nongsong snong ru henry ka shongpat na ka District Council bat ka sarkar lakan pediang ni ya kata
society kladon nadu mensyaga welfare society RR Colony Welfare Society
kadon ka jing omba kadon ka resolution bantau snong
ka resolution yo baladon lupa te existing there. It's not a new RR Colony Welfare Society. It's not a new. Yang ada resident yang tu ke locality, yang ada khamtip hi juga jing long jingman yang tu ke RR Colony locality.
Tekan ka ki omba lengba kan ka society ki air ita ki trade ki NOC ban yo ki trade license.
Kata ka syok ki ada lagi dalam bapan da baga syong baga district council ka priang dengan priang ka syong akapan. Ada ka sarkar ka priang dengan priang ka syong akapan. Abang akan kam ke residential certificate dengan Shim na RR Colony Welfare Society tika syong pada haki bor ki bahalor ki priang yang kita residential.
habakli hatu kam dei mo ban hap ban Shim nya ki kot kisla bat ke NOC na ki dorbar snong namar ba ka RR Colony Welfare Society kadai tang ka society uba hek ula ong penban ba baro ki kam la penyait de ka society nado ka jing seo ya ka bai boarding electric ka bai bat ka jing ai Syrnot nongsong snong ula ong ru ba ka RR Colony Welfare Society kam don rang ba snong henry ka don u president bat u secretary watla uba hek ula ong ba don rang ba snong henry ha ka resolution jong snem arajar hanyo kabalaya soilang do ba hek lembar uba sanbor shulai ha ka por bo ulong kumu executive member ka tenat trade ka KHADC kala pau bo udon urang ba snong ka RR Colony uba kerteng u Ushanta Kumar Das
Mentahi gidon laga jong hi ka RR Colony Welfare Society menda gabai umru ke Shim Welfare Society gabai light ru ke Shim Welfare Society bakin nyut ru ke Shim Welfare Society baru ke penyai hi ki RR Colony Welfare Society yang ada wei ne ginong song jong ka RR Colony Welfare Society
temanu padai urang ba snong ne hatman
tu don rong ba snong don hatman don president don secretary
jong ka
society. Of course, I'm also a resident of the RR Colony. If I need my residential certificate, I go to the Welfare Society to give me my residential certificate.
What about trading license?
If it's also whether the district council recognize or not recognize, if the government recognize, no, that is not my you. But I have to take it from RR Colony because I'm a resident of RR Colony. Ngisong ha tu ka marba ka barkhot ka management ki punya ka RR Colony Welfare Society de ka announcement gile Hima ki nang ta ka ga bel nang ta ru Shim maki nang ta de ya ka bai coach nang ru Shim maki nang ta ka bai lai ngi siu be cha ka RR Colony Welfare Society idon la ka jong ka society.
But the concern is it is not under European law.
Huh?
It is not under RR Colony.
This is I'm telling you. Jarur they have welfare society. What's the problem? Auckland they have, Beaver Road they have, Keating Road they have. All they have the welfare society. Anything wrong to have a welfare society?
But it is mentioned headman.
They are the president. They are the president.
But it is in the joint.
They are the president. If you ask me, they are the president.
They are not headman.
If you ask me, they are the president.